You just landed in Jamaica and want to try authentic Jamaican food? You're on the right channel. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't as yet. I'm Mick. This is Yard Life's Good. I travel around Jamaica to find the best spots to eat. You'll enjoy raw Jamaican cooking and eating.
From the kitchen, straight to the beach side, look at that.
In this video, you'll see tons of native Jamaican recipes being prepared and also some exotic ones. Every year, people gather at this event to eat all that they can manage. I am one of them. This is Land and Seafood Fest. A bright and early morning here in Portland, right here on the stretch of St. Margaret's Bay. And look behind me, this is where I'm at. Big Biz Ocean View. Crazy spot to eat. There will be tons of stuff on the menu, so we're not wasting no time. It is pretty early in the morning and the kitchen is already a boom. Yeah man, kitchen booming. So we're heading inside right now to go see what I want. Crazy vibes. Yes man. Well, we're heading up in the kitchen right now, but we did have to stop for showing what I want. Like every single time I come here, this place is getting so much prettier and prettier. The view is amazing. See right over there, so as I said, the eating area, but there's so even up here at this in front of the kitchen, yo, the place is just getting so much better and better. But we have to show you crazy painting, crazy vibes. I can head up in the kitchen. Well, chef. Wow. Whoa. Pork chops. Amazing.
Abi? Everywhere Abi.
Well seasoned up. This right here, it's called beef time. Amazing spice for going on food. And this is easy to catch. You get just a little piece of this and you don't keep it in some water and just plant this somewhere in the yard. This is bound to catch. And there are tons of this in here in Portland also. And they use it for spice. Nice smell, real strong. Beef time. Yeah man. One of the amazing thing about this spot is, and not just this event and also this spot, but leading up to this event, yo, them season up the meats days before this event. So you know, say, and then in the morning before those meats go up on the fire, them get extra seasoning, and that's one of the amazing thing. That's why you get tons of flavors out of them kind of food here. And I tell you, if you never pull up a Big Biz, whether at this event or any at all, just pull up a Big Biz Ocean View. You're not gonna see the crazy experience. You're not gonna get that crazy experience what I talk about when it comes to food. Just pull up a Big Biz Ocean View on the sub. Just look what I'm going to say.
Curry, little curry.
That's the killer spice right there, bro. Amazing killer spice. Especially for that curry. Yeah, man.
then strawberry.
Tons of flavors that pot out. Oh, look on this. This is what I want. That pot is that meat is well seasoned, and that pot get tons more seasoning just now. That onion, that garlic, that scallion, pimento berries, well diced up pepper, and yo, just that meat gone in that pot. Me telling you, crazy amount of seasoning for that pot. So that taste is well vibrant out of this world. One of the tastes that oh man. This one is gonna be what?
Yes, a two type we are doing Magnum flavor and the Hennessy.
Oh, nice. And it's pork chops, a Magnum. So they're preparing two types of pork chops right now. One of them is going to be in Magnum and the other one in Hennessy. Yeah, if you never tried those yet, I tell you, have a forward, come actually taste these. It's crazy because the flavor we get from them is so different from when you cook them down like regular. It's wicked piece of flavor. So them over there, so two of them ready up now. One of them is gonna be Hennessy and one is going to be Magnum. Wicked taste. Yeah man, what a need for try. That right there is the Wild Hog. Oh. So hold on. So this is a cook down in a seasoning.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
nice.
And
And then what?
And then we season it again and throw it on the grill.
Oh, this one go up on the grill.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow. Yo, that smell goody, man. This how the steam a box. There's a Wild Hog inside here that's gonna go on the grill, but for now that I boil on with tons of seasoning. Yo, that steam lick me from where on as that pot cover open. The amazing flavor we get from that steam alone. Oh, you can just imagine when that go up on the grill, and when that go up on the grill, that not going to stay long because remember that it's basically boiling and cooking right now. So when that go up on the grill, just for a few minutes, just to get that burnt edge, all those caramel edges, and then straight into belly. Oh. And this is a mixture of the coated and the intestine. The mannish water. What was one thing where you remember cooking for the first time where you do it to perfection?
First time.
Yeah.
I'll say first time we cook rice and peas.
Rice and peas.
Yeah. We just come out the right way.
And
First time.
And that is amazing because that's one of the things where easy to spoil.
Wait on everything there.
Yo. Rice and peas is one of them things that where you don't play with because you have to get that rice right. You have to get that amount of correct rice, that's the correct peas, the amount of peas, and oh, you can see the gold pot over here, so I can take a check in it. So what I was saying, that the rice and peas, if you can cook that for the first time and get that perfect, that great master, yeah man, because that thing there, you know, easy. Not even regular rice, not easy for the first time. Wicked inside the pot right now. So that's mannish water right there. So that's pumpkin gone inside the pot right now. That goat, the goat gone inside the pot. This pumpkin gone inside the pot. Some seasonings, herbs and spices gone inside, can flavor down that pot. Mannish water is a traditional vibe here in Jamaica. So you know, every event that you go, normally them have mannish water on the menu everywhere. Probably everywhere you go, it might taste different because of the different seasonings or the herbs and spices that they use. But normally that always fire anywhere at all. They go mannish water. Yeah man. Oh, show me back there.
Just mix it with a special.
Oh yeah.
Special
yeah, that's a
sauce,
special
like
sauce.
that, yeah.
Okay, I know why not this. Because that's a secret sauce. Yeah, but we know that the henny gone in it. But this sauce right here is special. Amazing. And this is going on pork chops, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like a soy
Oh, this is
sauce.
soya sauce and that. That's for coloring our flavor, our both.
Both.
Okay, nice.
We do it the way, yeah. Like you get the flavor, like them roast with the flavor, you know. But when them finish, we still dip them again.
Again.
Finish them off in our oven again.
Okay, nice. Boy, the smell of that, the smell of that seasoning. Oh man, and that Hennessy going in there, that's wicked. Yeah man, respect. This is it right here. This is what's on that pork chops right here. I get a little more drain and Hennessy around about. But this is the seasoning right here. This is the secret sauce mixed with that Hennessy. And that's going in there. See how cheese. Wow, flavorful. I'm just imagine when that gets so moist, go inside of the oven, all of that flavor just gone circulate through that meat. Oh my god, wicked. Wow. That right here is a really huge pot of oxtail going on. It smells so good. You can see all of those pimento berries inside of that Wild Hog pot inside, where you can tell so that flavor is going to be amazing. Yeah.
Warm water we use and blend it so you get out everything.
Well, yes, but definitely I go on some more blend seasoning.
When I blend the coconut, I have to use warm water to get all them juice. You see it?
Well, what's the major difference?
Alright,
And I use the cold water.
The cold water.
Yeah.
Alright, the coconut have one thing like oil in it, you know.
Oh yeah.
So the warm water wake it up, you see it?
Oh,
Most people not really understand, you know?
makes sense. Exactly, cause when coconut oil cold, it sleep. Oh
you see
yeah,
it
makes
really?
sense for true.
Yeah,
Yo, that crayfish smells super good. Just well seasoned. This just come out of that well seasoned. You can just season that with tons of seasonings and that go in the pot right now. And that just chewing at the pot right now, and instantly some of those just start turning red. That seasoning.
On a crayfish. You see the I never put no water in it. You see that's looking at that. You see water? You see?
What, brother man?
See, I don't know what part there. For Satan dance tonight, yeah. I do everything separate this time. Reason being, you have some people who want the crab alone and they don't want the crayfish.
Oh, okay.
So when you buy now, we're going to make the sauce, like put it in a something. So when you buy, you just take up what you want and put the sauce over it. Work the same. So we just season up the same way. Like, you know?
Getting a touch out of this crab. Respect. You know, Nikki always give her honors for get a touch out of that flavor before it's even finished. Oh yeah. Oh, flavor for days. Boy, that tastes super good. And Nikki just add some more pepper in that, you know. Spice also gives that super flavor what you need in that crab. Yeah man. Oh yeah.
Put them back in a frying bag. In a frying bag. Or in a fridge. Not that lemon.
Oh. Crab, you know?
Yeah.
Sea crab.
I see it.
Yeah man. Original. Yeah man.
There's salt and pepper now. And now one pan we just put in the herbs in the kind. You don't want it too salt, you don't want the pepper. You want the pepper, you don't want it too salt.
It's pepper shrimp? Salt and pepper.
They're not really original in life, you know. I hear them and people are doing this. But don't do that nothing. Only wicked. God have to just beat them a little bit. Before I start blessing, look, I'm so damn evil. I have enough people when blessed, but you don't stay.
Yo, pot look colorful, brother, man. Look good. Yeah, man. Smell real good out.
Yeah, that bad, no.
Man, what I like it, man.
Oh. That's a something, you know, because you never make a dub here.
So we're getting a touch off of this crab, and also this crayfish. Look on this, amazing. The smell of this from it going at the pot too, and this I don't think this crab even finishes yet, and this smells so good. When you can look on it, you can see all of those seasoning, those onions, those scallion, just each up right on top of it. Oh man. We'll go and taste this right now. That pretty white meat right there, super juicy and nice. And that flavor, is super amazing. Oh my god. And these are just seasoned down, cooked down, and leave in the pots. So a little more down in the day, so you know certain sauce I gotta touch on them here to make it even more super exciting. Boy, even the food them full of flavors, and these are just well seasoned down in the pots, cooked down. You know, little more down at the day, sauce I got touch them here. But as them is now, them are just well seasoned and just cooked down, just normal, without no sauce or nothing like that. Just a touching of the crayfish now. Oh, just biting through that shell. Yeah, the spice in this. You're definitely tasting that spice in this more than even that crab. Oh yeah, you want to clean out that. All of those flavor popping. That garlic, especially the garlic, that just stand out right there. Oh my god, and the spice in this, the pepper. Look on this. Look on this. Just pure meat. Oh, I could just see if we can get all of this meat out. All of that meat. Oh, everything come out. Nothing left. This is it right here. This is it right here. So I can get some of that. Some juice up on that. Some of that crab juice on the crayfish. Yo, one miss a flavor. It is wicked. I don't know if I put it inside, back inside that kitchen right now, cause the stuff them up on the minute here is wild. It smells so good, and you can just imagine that taste. Go back inside.
Give me that one. Let's try them then. This is not know what this is called.
I know good something that. They're crazy money that I make off fight. They make me not read too much. They make this that I got this as far. No love.
Oh man, that crab smells so good. I'm actually taste piece of that already. I can tell that flavor just have works. Oh man, look on this one.
Nick, get a bammy, yeah.
Wow, this is it right here. Look on that. Oh, I hope the camera focus on it. So this is a salt and pepper shrimp. And Nikki say, come in yard life. You have to go down in this. Oh, so we're going to test some of this shrimp right now. We test that crab already and also that crayfish. And right now we have food. This is super hot. Oh, and that flavor already. Oh. 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 Let's get that head off. Oh. To shake off some of that juice. No. Make it catch the car juice. Oh man. Yo, this flavor is super. Yo, this flavor. Oh my god. Woo. So this is salt and pepper shrimp, and Nikki said forward. Look on this. Yo! Oh man. Oh. I should love this one again. Yo, Makia, this flavor is unexplainable. Yes. Whoa. Yo, let me tell you. It's like you can't wait. It's like you can't wait for just get down to that. Just hurry up and take off all these shells. Just get down to that couple foot left. Foot one. And even that juice. That little juice right there. You want to get all of that juice. And I look at something like that. Oh man. I look a piece of carrot. Some amazing flavors, some amazing vibe inside that kitchen. I tell you, we gotta head back inside right now. But remember, I'm telling you, man. Big base, ocean view, crazy serious spot. Hey, but no, miss out. No, miss out. Oh.
This long time. Eh? Yes, sir. Look in here.
Yeah, man. What that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let me buy a pack of seafood and we put in seafood soup, right? And you can take some of my mussels, put in. You can put some crab in there too. I know. No? No, no mussels.
Good old mannish water.
Mannish water, you know.
We not on water right now.
You want to go back? Yes. One more? That's swell and tough, you know.
Swell and tough one.
Basmati, that's you know.
It's a good old bungo.
Yeah, go
Swell up too much.
Basmati price, you know. You say water good in it?
Yeah, man, that's good. Ahí asciutto di coltello.
Avete la
Come asciutto di coltello si specchia nel muro. E ma preda ne vedi che dare con le partite. Buon buono bla.
Yeah, that party are big.
being for oxtail, you know? Yeah, I didn't go in that fridge, I didn't know what's going on. Yeah? Yeah, man. Man, I play the ball game there. Come on, you know? Yeah, mannish water, you know?
Road folk music on the street, get the bar moving, get the restaurant moving, and we know that some people still need it. All we have man over here who still wants to jump breast and lips and thighs.
Yeah, what you got? Yeah.
Alright! Alright! You're gonna steal it, I know something! What the fuck are you doing? That's too girl! Just imagine big girls and people so woman can't come from half and they come down and them and lock them up like goat. Tie them up in a pen like tail. Oh! Even as we put them once in a power, we come from today and Sunday, we want some steamed fish, lobster tail, fried fruit, some Smirnoff ice, some red stripe beer, some mango beer. Ladies! Selector! Them girls again, man! Imagine you work Monday to Friday, Saturday, put on your red rice. You can't go inside yourself for the beachfront. No, sir.
I feel the sauce.
Yeah, that. That's sorry, over here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me show it from your power, you good?
I'm show it from forward.
Oh, yeah. Yeah? Hello?
So that's the Hennessy pork chop right there. That I get feed those a Hennessy sauce right now. That smells so good. Yeah.
See?
So that's the wild hog right there on the grill. That gone on the grill with more season, pepper fly. After that come out of the pot with so much season, cook down with so much season that gone on the grill again. More seasoning. Oh, that smells so good and that spice when you want that.
I'll try them off and I hope, you know? I don't know if I fire it burn me out or what, but I'm
That right here is the pineapple jerk chicken. Pineapple jerk chicken, and that sauce is coming straight from all of those pineapple skins. Boiled and then blended. Well spicy. Nice, tons of flavors. Pineapple skin.
You been back there? When it comes to somebody bouncing.
From the kitchen, just straight to the beach side. Look at that. Right in front of the waters. We're gonna mash down some food right now. It's a crazy vibe up there inside of the kitchen. We've been inside of the kitchen from about after 5 this morning, come straight till now in the evening now. But crazy vibes. Today, what we are gonna mash down is some plantain. We have some plantain right there, so we have that. We have some roast breadfruit. We get some curry gravy right there, so crazy vibes. We have some pineapple jerk chicken. Super flavorful. That pineapple is straight from the pineapple skin itself, boiled, well seasoned down, and also we got this wild hog. So this is jerk wild hog. Crazy vibes. And of course we get some fruits and some crazy stuff on the side. You know the vibes, we're going to mash down all of this right about now. And crazy more stuff on the menu, some stuff where you only see here in Portland, especially that deer. But you know the vibe, it's been a crazy vibe here in a Portland Fest, especially the month of April, and we had some crazy stuff. But today, we'll try some more crazy stuff. Yes man, I don't know the vibe. I got touch on some fruits. It's only right to touch on some fruits. First thing first, we have some pineapples and some melon. And I want to touch a grape. Can't go wrong. Super refreshing before you go down into this. Just like that, the fruits them gone. But you know we're going to kickstart this with some breadfruit, and we're going to dip some of that in that curry gravy. And of course, this curry gravy is from the goat, Rankin goat. Super soft, super nice, super flavorful. Mixed with that gravy. Oh yeah, I can come up some more for that. And the music is loud. Hopefully, the mic will cut out more side. Some good old roast breadfruit right on the seaside. Amazing vibe. Go down in some of this bean plantain. And of course, one other thing we have to pair with that green plantain is always some curry gravy. We have to take a dip in that. Can't go wrong. Oh. And of course we get a touch of that goat inside of the gravy. They have to make piece of that goat escape. This event is always booming every single April. You know we have a forward to come show up one on the menu. And some of the stuff you only can get here in Portland, especially that wild hog. It's like it's becoming a traditional vibe here in Portland. Forgetting that wild hog and especially that deer meat only here in Portland. Go and dip, hold on, make a taste piece of that Fred. So this was boiled in a pure season before it go up on the grill. When that go up on the grill, go get that little caramelized look and that texture. Just a little burnt texture on the grill because it's well seasoned from inside of the pot. Well boiled down with tons of seasoning. We are going to take a piece of it first before we dip it in the curry gravy. That flavor is hard to explain. That flavor is super hard to explain. It just have a rinking flavor, that raw hog, that wildness. It's like you're smelling that wildness, you're tasting that wildness. It's far way different from the regular hog, I'm telling you. And that gets extra seasoning when it go up on the grill. Although it get tons of seasoning when it boil in the pot. So I got dip this in the curry gravy. That flavor is just amazing. That flavor is super amazing. Oh man, we have to take a touch out of that again. Let's look on that. Oh yeah, and this is the lean part in Jamaica. We call that lean. Meaty, fleshy, no skin. This round here now we get a little bit of skin. And you see this was the part that was on the grill mostly because you see that texture. You see that look. Oh wow. Wicked. More breadfruit. Oh man. Tons of stuff on the menu, especially even that pork chop, that magnum pork chops and that Hennessy pork chops. Oh. Now go down now this chicken. Now this is the pineapple jerk chicken. So this was jerk at first, well seasoned, tons of seasoning, tons of flavors, well jerk, and then this. All of that, and then all of that pineapple sauce. Remember that pineapple is just strictly pineapple skins and ginger, whole boil and season down, and turn that in a one sauce. Pour that all over the chicken, and then send that back on the grill again for a few more minutes to make that sauce stick on it. So I could see if we're going to get any good proper flavor out of that. Oh, you can actually smell that. On all that skin. Yo, the flavor still in that. Oh man. Got a piece of that with some of this breadfruit with that curry grape on top of it. Amazing mixture right there. Go and get some of this Wild Hog with a piece of that jerk chicken. Wild Hog and jerk chicken. And we're going to bounce that with a piece of breadfruit. Pair that with a piece of breadfruit. Just like this. Look on that. What a bite. All this curry, just giving that extra flavor. Wicked vibes here in Portland at Big Biz Ocean View restaurant. Just pull up, come try some food. Even if this event miss you, just pull up, come try some food. I'm telling you, season till them can't season no more. Tons of coconut, tons of natural coconut, tons of natural herbs and spices. They're not play when it comes to that. So come try it for yourself. Some nice raw veg, some purple cabbage, some white cabbage, carrot, lettuce. Can't go wrong. Fresh vegetable. So good for you. And of course some nice potato salad right here. On the side. Oh yeah, that Hennessy pork chops just reached. And little sesame seeds sprinkled all over that. Jeez, it's only a pity say you can't even bite these bones. The flavor upon these are wicked. You can just imagine that Magnum one. Oh man. The flavor is just stinging. I'll get some of that sesame seed all over that. Oh God. Oh man. Some stuff that you get here in Portland, especially over that April period, just straight on to like May, them time they like, yo, some crazy stuff, some crazy events keep wanna have to forward. And if you don't want forward, come see me. You don't have to forward in at them time there, especially those times in April. Just listen out for the dates and just keep checking and just make sure you forward in Portland. Right now we're at Big Biz Ocean View restaurant right on the sea. up on the seaside. And this is their yearly event called Land and Seafood Fest. Tons of stuff on the menu. I'm gonna say crazy amount of stuff on the menu. But differently from that, if you guys want to pull up, come try them food. Like, wanna just come try them food because them always open to come try food. And every last Sunday, I think the last Sunday of every month, them have like this crazy all you can eat breakfast, brunch thing, like you can just fall and just come enjoy some crazy amount of stuff, some can saltfish, rundown, all those stuff, everything where you can think of but as a traditional Jamaican breakfast. Just come eat some food. Curry chicken, brown stew, you name it. But you don't know the vibe, I'll finish mash down this right now. And you don't know the vibe, just stay tuned and look out for the next one. But they are with Dapper. Dapper they are going easy. And I go and relax. Over there up on the seaside. You know the vibe. Yard life's good. Oh, one more thing again. 92% of you guys that are watching the channel are not subscribed. Please get Yard Life to 100. Make yourself we can reach 100,000 subscribers before this year done. Like, I feel like nothing we deserve 100,000. Yo, crazy vibes. I think that would be a good thing to actually look at. To say, oh yeah, at least I hit that milestone, you know. But I don't know the vibe. Just ask them please to subscribe. And also give this video a thumbs up. Push the vibe on the video, make it reach all over. I don't know the vibe. We just eat. And I told them, the entire Jamaica. I have a surprise coming when we reach 100,000. And just stay tuned. Big up on yourself. Hey, man.